So this is the new Faxon M22 barrel with a silencer co. Is that a Sparrow? The Sparrows around, aren't they? What is that? It's a silencer co suppressor, and it's one of those ones that are, you know, you can control how loud they are, but how many parts of it you use. I don't deal with silencer co much, but this thing is so quiet and so fast. This would be a perfect little gun to be plinking, you know, at 100 yards and just having a fun time, and not even scaring the neighbor's cats